Hello, this is Gio. Hey, do you own a Ford Fiesta, Focus, Fusion, or C-Max, and maybe your car battery has died, or the battery in your fob, as you can see here, has died, and you just can't get in your car, and maybe you need to get in there to get some things out. Maybe you even forgot your purse or your wallet or your phone. Well, how do you get in your car if your fob doesn't work? I'll show you how today. Now you might notice that the car door handle on the driver's side actually has a place where you can put a key. Nowhere else maybe on the other handles, but on the driver's side there is an actual place you can stick a key, but a fob isn't a key, so where's your key? Well, the fob actually does have a secret key inside, which is relatively easy to get to. And so here's the 3-button fob that you might be familiar with because you own it, and here's the Ford logo on back. And now if you notice on the sides of your fob, you'll see a little bit of a grippy spot right here with kind of little bars right there, and on the other side as well. Now that is kind of little buttons actually to reveal that secret key. Now the key is in back where the Ford logo is, and I'll show you how to get to it. Now you do need a little bit of finger strength, so if you have a lot of arthritis, you might want to get some help to do this. But you want to basically take your 2 fingers and depress those 2 little kind of like grippy buttons on the side, and you'll notice that where the Ford logo is, it'll kind of raise. You're seeing how it's kind of raising up like that. Well, that reveals the secret door. So just take your nail like that, and then as you depress, you could open up the little door here, or the little compartment, and there you go. That is the secret key to get you into your car. And then when you're done entering your car, you could just replace it just by sticking it back in your fob like this. Let me first stick it in this way, like that. And then it fits in very nicely like that. And then you just line up the little tabs here with the little holes, kind of starting it back like that. And it should just snap back in place just like that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.